Pa po ako kay Ma'am China Heart. 2 minutes more. My name is Helos Dante. Welcome and support my yes, this nga niya. We will do that. Thank you for your jacket, host. You're welcome. My name, hello Dante. Who's that? My name is check later. My name is, but I will play first. This nga niya. Test nga niya. Napakalit kasi ng mga letter dito. Good morning, host from Jocelyn Lakang. Tamsak Dan, thank you so much. Ayan, bigyan po kita ng jacket. Oh, what happened? Napin ko siya, napin. Add as a moderator. Yan. May jacket ka na po, Ma'am Jocelyn Lakang. Taga-asa ka, host. Taga Bicol po ako, but now I'm here in New Zealand po. So, titingnan ko po muna kung sino ang mababa ang bahay. Siya po ang ipipin ko. So, magyakapan na lang po tayo mga idol. Test nga niya. Oh, test nga niya is just 711 subscriber. I will pin first test nga niya. Pin. So, lahat po kayo ipipin natin para mapuntahan po ng ito number. Ayan. Pakiyakap na naman po nakapin mga idol. At mamaya silipin natin yung maliit ang bahay, ipipin pa rin natin. So, may 711 po mga subscribers si Tess nga niya. Shout out, mega love shout out sa viewers natin. Saan ka host? Taga sa host? Ako po ay Bicolano. Bicolano po ako. But ngayon po ay nasa bansang New Zealand. Afternoon, but ang liwanag pa ng panahon. Yan, malamig po sa labas kasi may ice pa rito banda sa lugar namin. Meron pang ice. Yan, naka-play po sa akin dito si Tess Nganye, yan. Maya-maya po, pasyalan ko po kay Ma'am Jocelyn. My name is hello Dante. Sino kaya 'to? Parang si Ate Carol 'to. Hello Dante. Bigyan kita ng meron naman siyang eh. Okay po. Negros po ako. Sa Kuwait ako ngayon. Ayan, mega shoutout po sa mga nasa Kuwait. Marami din content creator sa Kuwait. Dati po akong sa FB, 1 year last itong dadaan na November. That lang po host, enjoy your life. Thank you so much, yan. Maya-maya pasyalan po kita pagkatapos po natin dito kay Tess Nganye. Salamat po sa pagtambay at pagdaan, yan. Enjoy your ayan. Mukhang busy po siya, si Ma'am Jocelyn Lakang. So, enjoy your job diyan po. So, +1 banana Ma'am Jocelyn, late lang po, wait. +1 banana sa iyo Ma'am Jocelyn. My name is, my name is sino kaya 'tong my name is na 'to? Ate Carol, ikaw ba 'to? Yan, sinubscribe ko na siya. Mega love shoutout sa 2 viewers natin diyan. Thank you po sa pagtambay. So, naiba na po yung pag-live ko ngayon, parang naiba na yung format niya. Yan, hindi ko lang dapat format niya paiga, kaya lang hindi ko magawa. Ma'am Jocelyn, pasyalan ko na po kayo. Thank you po. Wow, laki ng bahay ni Ma'am Jocelyn. 3.88K subscriber. Ang dami niyang video, 2.7K. Oh, wow. Making simple center. Ayan, mayroon pong harang. Namumuti na ang buhok ko, guys. Tumatanda na tayo. Tumatanda na ang kalabaw. Ma'am Jocelyn, pang-apat na thumbs up po dito sa Making Simple Centerpiece. 2 days ago. Payakap na naman po diyan sa nakapin po. Kay tiis nga niya napakababa pa po ng kanyang bahay. Mahaba-haba pang lalakbayin. Yan, mega mega love, shoutout po sa 2 viewers natin diyan. Lil Alice Ma'am China. Ma'am China Heart, play ulit tayo. 'Pag malalaki talaga ang bahay, kahit napakaiksi ng video, napakahaba ng advertise, 'yan. Sana all. Super chat magpanudag goal. Set timer 30 minutes. Cheers. Kakanta na nga lang. I'm gone, maybe this time. So wala tayong magawa. Kanta na lang tayo ng acapella. 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 Two old friends meet again. Wearing all their pieces. Talk about the places they have been. Two old sweethearts who feel afar. Somewhere long ago. How are they to know? Someday they'll meet again and have a need for more. Maybe this time it ever loving they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time, loved one, and yeah, it's the same old feeling back again. It's the one they had way back when they were too young to know when love is real. But somehow something never changed. And heaven time hasn't cooled the flame. It's burning even brighter than it did before. It got another chance. And if they take it, maybe this time Yet ever loving they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. She's smiling like she used to smile way back then. She's feeling like she used to feel way back when. But something kept them waiting for this magic moment. Oh, maybe this time it I will love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. Oh, she's back in his life. It's peace so right. Maybe this time, maybe this time, maybe this time. Ayan, Angie Mendoza, New Zealand. Ayan, saan po kayo sa New Zealand po? Kasi ako nasa New Zealand rin po ako. Hello, tawan-tawa. Hey, Ma'am Lucy is too much laughing. Oh. Angie Mendoza, New Zealand. Saan po kayo sa New Zealand? O, saan po kayo sa New Zealand? Ma'am Angie, nayakap po na kayo pero puntang ang bahay niyo. +1 banana po. Ayan. Wala na akong magawa eh. Kasi kaya tayo nag-live. Ma'am Angie yan. Thank you kuya. Saan po kayo sa New Zealand? Asan na ba yung kwan? Angie. Ada sa moderator. Yan. Saan po kayo sa banda sa New Zealand, Ma'am Angie Mendoza? Nagkinoment ko rin sa inyo yan eh, pero wala po kayong sagot. Ayan. Hello, si Warren's World. You're laughing. Wait. Visit muna natin si Ma'am Angie. Yeah. +1 banana. Two days ago, New Zealand walking truck. Ayan. Shout out to you, Lucy Warren's World. Let's go for walk. Lucy Warren's World. She's laughing to my song. Wow. Ma'am Angie, pang 49 tamsak dito sa walking truck. Saan po kayo, Ma'am Angie, sa New Zealand po? Where are you from in New Zealand? Tamsak host from GM. Mega love shout out to you, GM. Wait a minute. I just play for first Ma'am Angie Mendoza from New Zealand. Sa mga hindi pa po nakayakap diyan kay Tik Nganye. Ayan, payakap na lang po nakapin po. Mayroon siyang subscriber na more than 700 pa lamang po. Hello, MLSO everyone. Sir Akari Velasco po to. Oh, okay. Mega love shoutout po sa iyo. Idol Akari Velasco. +1 banana po kayo at rin po, katulad ng inyong ginagawa. Tambay lang sir, yan. Thank you so much, GM. Akari Velasco. May makuwan kasi yung kuwan sa baba, yung TV ba. Ma'am Lucy World. Lucy Warren's World. Pasyalan ko muna si Ma'am Lucy. Si Ma'am Lucy. Natatawa sa aking kanta kanina si Ma'am Lucy. Oo, haba ng video ni Ma'am Lucy. Dito lang tayo sa maiksi Ma'am Lucy at dito lang, 10 dito lang. Saan po kayo Ma'am Angie sa New Zealand? Dito lang. Malawak-lawak po ang New Zealand. Ako po ay from Taupo po ako. Taupo. Oh, yan. Pero nakatira kami sa Auckland. Ang work namin ay Taupo. Kaya medyo mahirap din ang biyahe kung weekly kami uuwi. So, balak namin bumalik ng Taupo kapag may budget na siguro pangkuha ng bahay, pangrenta ng bahay ba. Kasi inabutan kami dito ng rescission at restraint of trade. So, tapos na yung restraint of trade kaya balik Taupo kami. Yan. Salamat po sa 6 thumbs up diyan. Okay. Okay. Ayaw sabihin kung taga saan si Madam. Si Madam Angie ayaw sabihin kung taga saan. Kahapon, Ma'am Angie, saan ko ba kayo nakikitang live? Kita ko si live kahapon eh. Hindi ko matandaan kung kaninong live 'yun. Tagal naman itong harang ni Ma'am Lucy Warrens. Maiksi yung video niya pero yung harang niya mas mahaba pa yata. Fighting Genesty Genrox Firewall. Kay Aling Marikit siguro kita nakita, malamang. Aling Marikit ba 'yan? Parang nga, parang. Hindi, marami akong pinasyalan kahapon, eh. Hindi lang si Aling Marikit. So, balak ko rin plano ko rin dalhin dito yung pamilya ko, kaya lang tingnan ko muna next year yung aking trabaho, kung maganda. Nakikita kita sir kung saan-saan. Ano kayo panday? Nakikita kita sir kung saan-saan. Oo nga, eh. 'Pag hindi ako makapag-live kung saan-saan lang ako dumadapo, 'yan. Kami po ay tile sitter, ayan, tile sitter po. So, pasyalan na kita Akari Velasco. Search muna natin. Si Akari madalas ko rin 'tong makita, hindi ko lang matandaan. Marami kasi. Longi and Caro like Dan, okay. I will give you a jacket. 'Yan, mega love shoutout sa 7 viewers natin 'yan. Martes kasi ako sa YT, sir. Nasaan na 'yun? Akari Velasco. Ay lumabas, eh. Eto. MLSO Hooks Tamsak. Oh, yes, pasyalan ko kayo. Kaya lang yung papasyal sa inyo, can you please watch my latest video, Longgi and Caro. Hi GM. Oh, jacket. Okay. Buti pa si Ma'am Akari meron ng 3.22. Ayan, another 1 plus banana. Si Ma'am Akari lagi 'to naka-live. Always naka-live 'to. Yan pang-apat na thumbs up po dito sa From Love and Peace. I'm happy to see you again. Thanks for your dropping. Thumbs up host. Akari Velasco. Ayun, ginamit na yung true one niya. True account. Thank you from Hell Bijen. Hilyong Valhalla. Payakap na lang po kay Tish Nganye na naka-pin po. Mandy TV, okay lang po magbaba ng premiere. Hindi ko po sure. Ano po ba sa palagay niyo? Kung okay lang magbaba. Pero kung hindi naman, wala po akong idea kasi. Wala po akong idea, mga idol. Ganyan talaga, sir, pag Marites. Pero ang tahimik sa live mo, Ma'am Akari. Tahimik, oo. Ano kaya pinanonood dito? Mandy Just Banana. From Hell Bijen. Hilyong Valhalla. Ano na po gawa nyo sa tao po? Ginagawa po namin yung pumasok lang po kami ng per oras. Dito kami gumagawa sa Tao po Council Building. So, ang trabaho namin 8 to 4. Kaya, ayan, boring. Libre naman kami sa lodge nung contractor. Ay, magandang lodge dito. So, wala akong magawa pag ganitong oras. Sayang ng oras. Ingay kasi aso dito, sir, kaya mute lagi. Kaya nga eh. Longy and Caro Helbigen, leave a comment. I will connect back from Longy and Caro. Helbigen, you can give some comment to Longy and Caro. And after see your comment of her video, you come to your, sorry sa mga English ko. Akari Velasco, hello. Wait lang. Si Mama Karen, napakatahimik eh. Kaway-kaway lang si Mama Karen. Ayan. Host, please support me. Also, everyone support. No exempted, all support. No escape, everything. Monday, ito premiere ko, patamsak. O yan, ipin natin yan, ipin natin yan. Ano ba yan? Pwede ba ipin yan, mga idol? Ay, buti bumalik. Akala ko nawala na yung live ko ay. Akala ko bumagsak na yung live ko. Nawala na eh. So napindot ko kasi itong premiere eh. Yan, Ma'am Mandy TV. Pabisita na lang po kay Mondre TV. Ayan. Moderate Ribi Tamsak Dikit Dan. Sino po ba sa inyo mababa ang subscriber? Para maipin natin. Lungi and Caro, you're beautiful, connected Dan. Lungi and Caro, yan. Mega mega love shout out. By being in your live stream, is that not support to you? What do you mean? Lungi and Caro. By being your live stream, is that not support to you? Yeah. Itnad Nemotrib, the one who visit your house. All of you. Lungi and Caro. Hello, Tess. Lungi and Caro, I will come to your house, huh? 1.95 subscriber. The Whisper Challenge, I will play 11 minutes, mom. Mom, what's Lungi and Caro, how are you, girl? Lungi and Caro, I will play this 11:40 minutes. The Whisper Challenge. The Whisper Challenge. Lungi and Caro, how are you? From Angie Mendoza from New Zealand. Hello, Angie, how are you there? From Lungi. Akari Velasco Mix Vlog, Angie Mendoza, Tamsak Dikit Dan. Thank you, host. Lungi and Caro, 11 minutes. And Etnad Nemotrib, the one who hugged to you, huh? The one who hugged to you. Etnad Nemotrib. So yan po, hindi po ako mahilig mag-play sa mga reels. Kapag ako po dumadaan po sa mga bahay nyo, pinipili ko po ay mga long form. Yan. Kung may 5 minutes, 5 minutes. So hindi po tayo nag-skip ng mga ads. Dahil yan po ang pinakamalaga yung ads. Ayan. Happy days from Hilbijin, Hilyuang Valhalla. Just wait, my friend. I will play you later. Tess Nganye. Yes. Can you please hug Tess Nganye, the one who what they call I pin at the top. Helby Jen from Akari Velasco Mix Blog. Thank you for play. You're welcome. When I'm live every day, the one I talk to the viewers who's not monetized, who wants and need minutes because sometimes they have 2 or 3 and I play overnight. 7 hours, 8 hours I play before sleep and then I stop in the morning. Look, Lucy Warren's World is still laughing. How are you, Mom Lucy Warren's World? Hmm. Already connected to the test, the pin ID. Thank you so much, Longy and Haro. Mix just banana and is done. Mix just banana and is done. From Hebeljen Hilyuang Valhalla. Valhalla. I am not monetized. Post, that is why I asked you to watch my video. Oh, wait. Yeah. Okay. Later on, later on, do you have a playlist, right? Do you have a playlist? Oh, the Whisper Challenge, Lomi and Caro. So, how's your minutes? How's your minutes? LBGN mix just LBGN. Wait. What the? What happened? LBGN is very young. What? Replace pin. Yeah. Someone here is, can you please uh hug? Can you please visit the house of Helbigin? Asan yun? Host, I want to make breakfast. Where do you from? I only have 900. What's our host? So before I sleep, Longy and Caro, I will play your video. Do you have a playlist? Wait, I will visit your house. You have a playlist. Okay. Before I sleep, I will play up. I play this Lungi and Caro live stream later on. Are you happy that Lungi and Caro live stream? Yes. Lungi and Caro live stream 3. Later on, I will play this. So every day, if you come to my live, you're welcome. No problem. Just anyone's need the hours. Someone drop my live. Just just say, can you please help me? No problem. No problem. Mhm. You only have 900. Send you 300. Why? What happened here? So thank you for stand by my live. You're welcome, Long and Carl. You're welcome. I will come to Helbigen, Hilyong, Hailong Balhalya. And I will here. I'm here to your 300 subscriber. Can you please hug Helbigen, Hilyong Balhalya? Balhalya. She just only 360 subscriber. Willow Spring Lake. Aswin full-time caller now. Hello, GM. Alam ko na pasyalan ko na kayo, ma'am. GM. Karamihan kasi mga palayaw na lang lumalabas, ano. Ay naku, nagtatago yung mga personal. Ayan. Lungi and Caro. Your host. Thank you so much, Lungi and Caro. So thank you so much for standing by my live and how many hours na ako. So my phone is lowbat. I need to charge just 17% my battery. Yes. I know that. Don't worry, Ma'am Longi and Caro. That's the one I said to you, I'm your friend and I will support you. So before I lost my job, I lost my job because I need to be monetized. What's your job before? But you need to live every day for your hours. For me, don't worry. I will do that. What I said. I will do what I said. Ako ni channel Mega Love shout out MLSO. Helbigen, Hilyuwang, Valhalla, Hive, GM, Just Banana. Just Banana, GM. Every day at 10 a.m. South Africa time. I do live stream every day at 10 a.m. South Africa time. What time your country now? Because here is a 7:20 in the evening New Zealand time. Naka-live pa po ako, sir. Balikan po kita. Mama Kuni Channel, pag naka-live po kayo, huwag kayong pupunta sa ibang live. Ang gamitin niyo po ibang account. Huwag po yung account niyo. Masisili po kayo niyan. Huwag po kayong magagala pag naka-live po kayo. At hindi na rin pong tatagaan live po kasi lobat na po ang phone ko. Ayan. Okay po. Salamat po sa pagpunta po, pero wag next time po, kung mag-live po kayo, wag niyo pong igagala yang account niyo na yan. Iba po ang gamitin niyo. Ito po ang ginagamit ko rito. Binaliktad ko po yung pangalan ko, yun po ang ginagala ko. Habang po ako ay naka-live at sinusupport ko po sa mga dumadaan po sa aking live. So, Ma'am Lungi and Caro, before I end the live, I show you what I play to your account. Saan yun? Mega love shoutout po sa inyo. Yan. Another banana, Ma'am Melanie Balimbing. Hi, Ma'am Lucky Pearl. Mukhang hindi yata ako pag-i-end ng mga to. So, sige, tayo. Mag-charge tayo. Mag-light. So, iniisip ko kasi parang lang. Ayan. So, marami pa naman dumadaan. Mag-charge na lang ako habang naka-play po. Naka-play. Hindi ko kasi dala yung isang phone ko, para ma-play ko 'to si Ma'am Lungi and Caro. Ma'am Lungi and Caro. Tambay CP Langos. Work here. Here host from Lungi and Caro. Ayan. Sino ba yan? Pi-play ko. Lucky Charm Mix Vlog. Morning, Melanie, Balimbing. Wait. Natatambakan na tayo ng pi-play. Yan, another. Yan, Ma'am Melanie Balimbing. Play ko na po. Buhay Mountain, kailan kaya kami makabalik sa Beirut? Halos taga Beirut nagpabundok na ang lamig na. Ayan. Masyado maliwanag. Fair host, ayan. Longy and Caro, don't worry. What I said, I play you later. After finish my live. May po birds ulam. Sino pa dito? Ma'am Lacafar. Lucky Charmex Vlog. Lucky Charmex Vlog. Lucky Charmex Vlog. Wait. Merong harang eh. Kay Ma'am Melanie Balimbing. May harang siya. May harang. Amin mo Ma'am Lucky Charm, sige thumbs up natin. May Daily Vlog, Hong Kong recipes of potato, tomato, and pork. So after Lucky Charm Mix Vlog and Mapli ko ay siguro mag-in na muna po ako. At tutuloy po natin si Lungi and Caro. Lungi and Caro. So review natin yung phone i-charge. So napipli po ako Ma'am Lucky Charm Mix Vlog. Their host. So now, Lungi and Caro, I will play now. Okay. So stop live na ako. Stop live. Lungi and Caro. So Long and Caro, this is your playlist, right? And tomorrow morning, who's this? Harry Moreno Channel, M8SO po. O yan. Bigyan po kita ng jacket para comment ka na lang mga idol. Comment na ng idol sa aking Harry Moreno Channel. Comment na lang po sa aking video at ako po ay mag-i-end na. Mag-i-end na po ako. At pasyalan ko lang ngayon nagko-comment. So yan, maraming salamat po sa nagtambay at nanatili sa aking live. So Long and Caro is I will play your live stream. So thank you so much for watching my live, and now I end my stream. Thank you so much. This is my playlist. So thank you so much sa mga dumaan at mga manunod pa. Mag-iwan na lang pa ka sa aking reels or video. Thank you so much and have a good night, everyone. Thank you, Long and Caro. Thank you for trusting me. Next time, see you next time, and then just remind me about your playlist. Bye bye. Thank you so much again. Have a good night, everyone.